So good evening, good evening, good evening. Green screen still bugging out, but we are here. We are back again. Had a wonderful evening, beautiful sunny evening in Fengarola, La Cala de Mias. Beautiful, some lovely drinks, some nice food. Not quite sure what's going on with the green screen. Bear with. It's all going a bit Pete Tong, isn't it? But anyway, we are going to sort these graphics out at some point, probably summertime now, when the season's dusted. That was my first day off of a watch along for, I don't even know. When was the last time I didn't do a watch along in an evening? I have no idea. But it was the first time I've been out and about, and first time I've met my pal. Big up, Keith. Big up to you, my guy. First time I've actually been out and about for a while. Big up the fellow who spotted me in Fengarola as well. Yeah, with his missus and kid. He was like, yo, I love your channel, Gunner. Reality versus internet, different world. Yeah, and let me tell you right now, that guy was a lump. Pause. He could have punched me and my mate up quite easy. Yeah, but big up to him. Yo, you're Arsenal Gunner. Yeah, I love you. Big up to you, man. Keep doing. I'll watch your channel. Big up to him. Big up to him and his missus and kid. Enjoy your holiday, man. But anyway, make sure you are subbing to the channel. Make sure you are fully liking the video. And I will be back again on here. Well, it's now today because it's what? Late. It's gone midnight here as I'm recording this. But I will have another video dropping. I'm also live with rants at 2:30 UK time. And then obviously Arsenal versus Bayern Munchen. The Germans have stated they are coming. Pause. They are turning up en masse to London. They put a banner up at the weekend saying, F UEFA and FIFA. We're turning up in London, bro. And let me tell you right now, I was there when FC Cologne turned up. And yeah, they put the game back an hour. Hopefully they put this game back an hour, so then we can sit and watch Real Madrid versus Man City. Hopefully. But anyway, it's what it is. But we're here to talk about Liverpool. We're here to talk about Man City. Obviously, we'll drop a little bit of Arsenal in there as well, because it is a three-way race for the title. The title race is heating up. Liverpool, did they let it slip? We don't let this slip. Yeah, let's not let this effing slip, la. Yeah, I'm being serious. Yeah, I'm being serious. Why are you laughing? I'm being serious. But they did let it slip. Kobe Mino Dagger has put Arsenal top of the table. Liverpool have won, I believe, only one game out of the big six traditional now big six games that they've played so far. We obviously got 4 points off of them. I think they drew with City twice. Obviously got robbed by Tottenham. Well, not Tottenham, but VAR. Chelsea as well. I think that is the only game they've actually won. I think it was Chelsea they've won. What did they draw with them? They drew in the first game of the season or second game of the season. But I think they've only won one game against the big six, and I think that was Chelsea. Man City have actually only beaten one team in the big six this season. That was Man United. Mad. We took 4 points off of them, which is kind of wild when you deep it, because we've actually gone unbeaten against the big six. They've barely won against the big six, yet we're all there or thereabouts the same, separated on literally, goal difference with Liverpool and 1 point over Man City. And this is why I don't get carried away, right? We've all played 31. Arsenal have won 22, Liverpool 21, Man City 21. We've drawn 5, Liverpool have drawn 8, Man City have drawn 7. However, we have lost the most out of them 3. We've lost 4. Liverpool have lost twice. One, they were robbed. The other was against us. And then obviously Man City have lost 3. Goals 4. We've scored the most, 75. They've scored 72. Man City 71. Goals against. We got the best defense, 24. Liverpool got the second best, 30. And obviously Man City on 31. Our goal difference is elite compared to Man City, which is the team I'm worried about, if I'm honest. And this ain't a diss on Liverpool. Don't take this as a diss. They're big up to Liverpool. Yeah, they overhauled their whole midfield. Yeah, and everyone was looking, going, they lost out on Caicedo. They lost out on Lavia. Well, let me tell you right now, they've got one of the buys of the season, mate. Yeah, Alexis McAllister, what a player. What a footballer, mate. That guy is so cold with it. 35 M's. Endo, 15 mil. They've got that midfield. Yeah, forget the rest of them. Just them two, 50 mil. Yeah. Meanwhile, Man City went and done, what, 60 on Nunes. Yeah, he's been trash. Kovacic, he's a steady Eddie. And do you know what's mad with Kovacic? I've not seen any Chelsea fans really crying about Kovacic going to Man City. I've seen him in meltdown. I'm on with Johnny Minerals. This is not Chelsea. This is not Chelsea. Moaning about 29, moaning about Jorginho. Not so much Werner, but Mason Mount as well. Nobody's really mentioned Kovacic. And Kovacic, for me, is a steady Eddie. Yeah, he ain't going to rip up any trees, but he ain't going to do a bozo gene. And if he does, it's once in a blue moon. Get the pun, he plays for the team that's blue. Okay, cool. We'll move on. That went down like a lead balloon, bruv. But anyway, when I look at the fixture list, boy, let me tell you right now, this is going to be long. So Liverpool's next game is Atalanta on Thursday. I think they wiped the floor with them. I can't lie. Then they've got Crystal Palace. Crystal Palace is not an easy game for them. I think Harvey Elliott scored the winner against them away. They always get over the line, but it's never easy. And Palace are a bogey team. Then they've got Atalanta again. So in the space of the next 9 days, they've got Atalanta, Palace, Atalanta. If they wrap that first leg up, which I believe they will at Anfield, yeah, then go and beat Palace, all of a sudden, they can rotate. Then they got Fulham away. Then they got the Scouse Derby. Then they got West Ham away. Then they got Top Spurs. After that, Villa away tough, Wolves home. That's it. Job done. Yeah, obviously, if they get through at Atalanta, semi-final, so on and so forth. Yeah, if we go back and go to Man City's fixtures, because again, it's wild. I can't lie. Right, so they were supposed to play Tottenham after Real Madrid. So they got Luton coming up. Well, I'm lying. They've got Real Madrid coming up. Then they've got Luton at the Etihad. They'll slap them. They're so naive. Then they've got Real Madrid again. I actually think Real Madrid knock them out. I can't lie, but here's what it is. They were then supposed to play Tottenham, but that got postponed. Then because they're in the FA Cup semi-final against Chelsea, proper Chelsea. After that, they've then got Brighton away. Then Forest. Then, if they get through past Real Madrid, they'll be in the semi-final, either against us or Bayern. Then they've got Wolves, Fulham away, West Ham at home. That's an easy run. I can't lie. That is an easy, clear run. I fully expect them to win all their 7 games, which is why Arsenal, yeah, who have the hardest running, need to be flawless. Yeah, real talk. Yeah, real talk. We need to be flawless. We've got Bayern Munich, obviously today as it is now. Aston Villa at the weekend. They're going to try and come with a little saying for us. Yeah, Unai Emery against his former team, the way it all ended, etc., etc. That's not easy. And if we don't beat Bayern Munich today, then that game is mad important. Because if we let it slip, big up Stevie G, against Bayern and don't get that win, all of a sudden, we now can't take, well, we ain't going to take our eye off it anyway. But that game has more importance on it, because if we then drop points to Aston Villa, all of a sudden, we're now going to the Allianz a couple of days later after not getting the win. It's imperative we win against Bayern Munich. If we beat Bayern Munich by a couple of goals, 2-3 goals, it's not going to be easy. Yeah, when I see the starting 11, I'll give my prediction on the other channel, obviously. Yeah, but I'm semi-confident we can beat them. However, if we do not beat them, and they've got Neuer back, Sane back, Koeman back, what's his name? Pavlovic back, Mazwari back, everyone's back. All of a sudden, these players have just suddenly come out of the woodwork and they're all fit and available again. This is not going to be an easy game. If we do not beat them, that Aston Villa game, oh my days. Then Bayern, then we've got Wolves away, proper Chelsea, and then Top Spurs. After that, if we get through past Bayern, we'll have Madrid or City, then Bournemouth, Madrid or City, then Man United away, then Everton. Real talk though, we could genuinely win the league at Man United. And do you know what's crazy? And I want to hear from you guys as well, right? Do you know what's crazy? Is Man United fans are willing for us to win the league because it's the lesser of the three evils. However, Spurs also have a say in this. They have to play Liverpool. They have to play Man City. They have to play us. Man City have not got a great record against them, but in the cup, they knocked them out. When it matters, Man City turn up. Arsenal beat them last year. This year, they're a different top spur. However, if they play that high line, thanks, mate, just play Martinelli and we clean up. Liverpool play them, and it's at Anfield. They're going to go all for it. They're doing it for Klopp and all that. Not only that, they're doing it for the VAR robbery. So Spurs are going to have a say in this. Aston Villa, yeah, they played Man City the other day, got slapped. Aston Villa play us at the weekend. Aston Villa still have to entertain Liverpool at Villa Park. So Aston Villa are going to have a say in this. You know, this is not going to be easy, man. And I swear, yeah, I'm looking at it and I'm just thinking, boy, where do we go? If I was to put money on it, I'm still saying City. But we are so close. So close. But then so is Klopp. Pep's so close to doing a double treble. Imagine he does a double treble. We might as well pack up shop. Just close. Yeah, put the shutters down, lads. Yeah, pack it up. Yeah, pack it up. Yeah, Klopp's leaving. He's going to want to leave with more than a League Cup. Yeah, whether he does or not, that's down to him and his players. And he was fuming at the weekend. I've never seen him so shook. Yeah, because he knows he's that close to being great or that close to leaving with just a League Cup. And listen, League Cup's a League Cup. I'll take a League Cup. However, he's that close to winning a second Premier League. And Arsenal, if we pull it off with Reece Nelson, Edward, the King of Zamunda and Ketia, Mohamed El Neni, Cedric Suarez. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. Yeah, fair play. If we win the Champions League, fair play. But this is crazy. I've seen a lot of people getting all giddy. Yeah, funny enough, it's not Man City fans getting giddy. They've been there, done it, won the T-shirt. They're calmer. They're humble with it. They're humble brothers. They're cool. They're chilling. They're looking forward to Madrid tomorrow. Liverpool fans, half the fan base that I've seen, mouth of the south or mouth of the northwest. The other half, humble with it. Asna fans. Unless you're knee sliding across the marble, yeah, giving it the Bertie about nobody from George Graham era or nobody from Arsene Wenger era gets in this team apart from Ashley Cole, then you're deemed toxic and negative. Karma. Have a look at these two other fan bases. Have a look at what they've won. Have a look at the managers that they've got. Yeah. History is the history. Yeah. Football heritage, guys. Have a bit of karma. Yeah. Not only that. One lapse. The blue shark is chasing us. Yeah. The Scousers are chasing us. One lapse. We can only afford maybe one lapse from now to the end of the season in the Premier League. Champions League, listen, as much as I'd love to win it, I want the Prem. I want the Prem. In fact, if I'm being greedy, I want them both. However, if I had to pick one, I'm picking the Prem. But that blue shark is chasing, it's circling. It's circling. And Mikel Arteta is the least experienced of the three. He's the worst out of the three in terms of trophies, obviously because of the experience. And he's already got previous. Top four, 93% champions last season. Yeah, the PTSD might kick in. Yeah, we get a bad result against Bayern. All of a sudden, whoa, now Emery turns up. Whoa. However, between now and the end of this month, which is going to be wild, 1, 2, and 3 is going to change. Because Man City don't have a Premier League game next weekend, I think, or yeah, next weekend. Yeah, they got the League Cup, the FA Cup semi-final. So Arsenal and Liverpool, boom. Man City and Arsenal played before Liverpool. Then Liverpool played before Arsenal, and so on and so forth. But when you get down to that nitty-gritty, and we're getting down to that last 3 or 4 games, squeaky bum time, guys. So let's just stay chill. Let me know your thoughts as a Scouser. They're doing it for Klopp. The trophies mean more in Liverpool. Pep's on for a double treble, which he might as well stroll off into the sunset, guys. And Super Mick, against all odds, can he do it? Leave your thoughts down below. I'd love to know what you guys think. Who's going to win the Champions League? Give us your score predictions for Bayern against Arsenal, or Arsenal Bayern, Real Madrid versus City, Liverpool Atalanta. Give us your predictions for 1, 2, and 3 in the Prem. Where's the league going to be lost? Where's it going to be won, etc. The fixtures. I don't really want to focus too much down the road, but for the purposes of the video, I've done that, shown you guys, and obviously you know anyway. I'm not trying to tell you how to suck eggs, pools, Ten Hag and all that. But for the purposes of the video, we are here, guys. And yeah, I've seen it, been there. I've seen Arsenal win 5 titles. I've seen Pep clean up. I've seen Jurgen do a mazza since he's got to Liverpool and miss out by 1 point twice. Like crazy. Yeah, lose 2 Champions League finals. Mad. So yeah, it's not going to be easy. If Arteta does it, I'm in the mud. I can retire, guys. So hopefully we do it. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your feelings. I will have another video dropping at some point, probably after the show with rants, 2:30 UK time. I'm then live for the Bayern München game, fan cams, player ratings, and all of that good stuff. And yeah, this is going to be entertaining, guys. Sky Sports are going to max the shit out of it as well, by the way. The top 4 race is now irrelevant because the title race is eating up. And we're out of here. Adios, hijo de puta.